Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this paint by line flip-flop. First, I'm going to go in and base coat the flip-flop with the color Peony, and then after I'm finished base coating the flip-flop, I'm going to go in with the color Soft Pink and paint the straps. You guys keep in mind that this is a paint by line, so all of these lines are etched into the cutout, so you're not having to freehand these straps because sometimes that's kind of difficult. And I am going to go in and do some accents, and I want you guys to remember that all of that is completely optional. If you wanted to just go in and base coat the flip-flop in this peony color and base coat the straps in the soft pink color and then just do some detail work, you totally could, and that would be fine. But sometimes I like to show you guys just some options of what you can do to it, but it would also be really cute, just simple base coated and outlined. I'm just going in with a number 6 right now, a number 6 round in that soft pink color as I was discussing, just base coating that strap. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with a number 0 and some watered down black paint and just highlight the edges of the straps. And again, this is all etched in, so I'm just letting my brush fall into the grooves that are etched into the cutout. Makes it super easy when I'm trying to do this detailing work. It also really helps if you let your cutout dry before you go in and do this. That way you're able to rest your hand on the flip-flop. It just helps you to be a little bit more steady instead of trying to freehand it and have to hold your hand up. After this, I'm just going to wipe my brush off and go in with the color Manatee Gray and do a little bit of highlighting. And I just want you guys to keep in mind that this is totally optional. You do not have to do this step if you don't want to. You could stop here and it would still be super cute. But I just wanted to show you guys an option of how you could finish it off. Just doing again with the white. And then again, I'm going to go in and accent everything with a little bit of black. And after that, I will be done. This is easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great day.